Instagram is one of the most powerful social media platforms for building brand awareness and driving sales. With over 1 billion monthly users, it's a crucial tool for businesses looking to connect with their target audience. But with so much content being posted every day, it can be hard to cut through the noise and get noticed by your ideal customers. That's where influencer marketing comes in. By partnering with influential individuals on Instagram, businesses can tap into their reach and trust of their followers, helping them get their products and services in front of more people. Influencers are not just people with big following, but can also those who can truly represent your brand, reflect your values, and authentically engage with your products and services. They can also provide valuable insights, help you test and validate new products or ideas, and ultimately help you drive conversion rates. To get the most out of influencer marketing, it's important to choose the right influencer to partner with. This can be done by looking at their engagement rate, follower demographics, and overall brand fit. It's also important to have a clear campaign objective and deliverables set before starting to work with an influencer, and make sure to measure and track the campaign's results to optimize them. Done right, influencer marketing can help businesses of all sizes to grow their presence on Instagram and connect with their target audience in a more authentic and engaging way. So, whether you're just starting out or looking to take your Instagram strategy to the next level, influencer marketing can help you achieve your goals. One important aspect of influencer marketing on Instagram is to make sure that the influencer and the brand have a good match in terms of values, interests, and target audience. Not all influencers may be suitable for your brand. By working with the right influencer, you will ensure that the content that is created aligns with your brand and resonates with your target audience. Another key aspect of influencer marketing on Instagram is to use creative campaigns that showcase the influencer's strengths and that are aligned with the audience's interests. For example, you can use a mix of photos, videos, Instagram stories, and Instagram TVs, live streaming, user generated content, and more to create a variety of different types of content that will appeal to your target audience. By using a variety of different formats, you will increase the chances that your content will be seen and shared by more people. You should also make sure that the influencer and the brand have clear communication and a mutual understanding of the expectations for the campaign. This can include creative and aesthetic guidelines, usage rights, confidentiality agreements, and so on. Also, have a clear payment and compensation plan in place. Measuring and tracking the results of the campaign is also critical. This includes keeping track of metrics such as engagement, reach, click-through rates, conversion rates, sales, and other data. By keeping track of these metrics, you will be able to evaluate the performance of the campaign and make data-driven decisions about how to optimize future campaigns. Additionally, it's important to diversify the influencer partnerships and campaigns rather than relying on a single influencer or campaign. It's important to diversify the efforts to different influencers and campaigns to get a broader reach and a better understanding of the most effective strategies. Influencer marketing on Instagram can be an extremely effective way for businesses to reach their target audience and build brand awareness. By following these best practices, businesses can grow and improve their chances of success and their brand presence on Instagram.